21 years ago when Sumfest just started, I was only 10 years old. But I stuck with it. And I just want to thank all of you here that have come out to support this fantastic event. I want to thank this venue. This venue is the most fantastic venue I have seen in Kingston for this kind of event. It is really, really great, and I want to thank the owners of it for making it available for us here. I have an announcement to make tonight because we have decided, the Sumfest team, that we're going to do an all-white party on the Tuesday night at Pier 1. This is the 23rd of July, and we're going to do an all-white party. It's going to be inside, and it's going to be a party. You will hear more about the DJs that are going to be playing the music, but this is a party to dance, to drink, to eat, to have a lot of fun. And this is the direction that Sumfest is going to be taking. We're going to be promoting a number of parties in the upcoming year, and I want you to stay tuned. We are proud of the strides that Reggae Sumfest has made in 21 years. We started as a group of businessmen who really didn't know too much about what we were doing when that other festival moved out of Montego Bay. But we filled the gap, we came, we saw, and I must say we have conquered. We have brought the music to a higher level. We have promoted a number of artists, as Johnny mentioned earlier, and this is what the business that we're in. We have established a track record of 21 years, and that's why we have the kind of support we have today from our sponsors, because they understand and recognize how important the music is, but also how important a festival like Sumfest really means, what it means to Jamaica. We fill every airline seat coming into Jamaica, every hotel room. Every rent-a-car is rented, every craft vendor does well, all the stall vendors. And this year, you know, we're sponsoring a number of stall vendors. We're honoring them this year because of their performance. They've been with us for 21 years, and we want to recognize a number of them. And I just want to tell them a great thank you for keeping this festival what it is. They produce the finest food. Everything you can find to eat is available at Reggae Sumfest. This festival is not just about reggae and Reggae Sumfest and the music. It's about the magic of Montego Bay. Montego Bay with Doctor's Cave Beach and everything else that it has to offer is a part of this magic that creates a fantastic week. A week of activity and a week of fun. And good, clean fun, good security, and I want to thank the security personnel that maintain security at Sumfest every year, both private and the police. We have had an event for 21 years which really has been incident-free. We had one minor incident many years ago, but knock on wood, all our cars are safe. No cars are stolen, no cars are broken into, and everything works according to plan. We have a medical team on site that produces and provides protection and care for all our visitors 24 hours. As long as you're at the festival, we have a medical team, 3 doctors and 4 nurses. I want to thank the media for coming out tonight. I want to thank Digicel and Red Stripe and Pepsi, who have co-sponsored this event tonight. And the main event team, in particular Donna Huzzy, who went all out to create this fantastic location. If you really want to have a fantastic time, come to Montego Bay for the week of Reggae Sumfest. We have added one more event for the Tuesday night to fill the week out. But there are a number of parties that will be taking place down there, a number of events. And Sumfest is, of course, the greatest reggae show on earth. I invite all of you to come and participate. Come and have fun. Come and enjoy yourself. I'll buy you the first drink. And Red Stripe will buy you the second one. Thank you all for coming. Have a wonderful evening. And please support Sumfest. See you soon.